mentioned in the last para of that story that that scientist made one a poison that is the same effect of the cobra, but that was produced from the blood vessels or blood cells from that very much body. That means our own body can produce one kind of poison, the same power of the cobra, which can kill ourselves. That is what actually last para wants to tell, that story, that US scientist team has made that kind of that kind of poison
Mystery is there.
from
Mystery is
that
there.
patient's body.
How it is possible?
Yeah, that I want to explain. That I want your explanation through your observation. That is it possible to make the poison from the body?
Yeah. When we are attacked with any disease, maybe infectious, may not be infectious, with the sign and symptoms of all the disease, so-called disease, not true disease, infectious or non-infectious. The sign and symptoms we see and we observe. That very sign and symptoms is produced by the poisonous materials, by the harmful product of the body created inside the body.
Right.
Every time you will be astonished after hearing that cancer is the most dangerous still today, as because no medicine can overcome that very situation. What it is, that there is no proper cell division, only nuclear division. Why it is? Due to some stimulating agent. And that very stimulating agent is so dangerous that after applying that chemo, means severe poison, it is said that if poisonous snake bite that very person who is taking that very chemotherapy, that poisonous product, the snake will die, but the man will not die. The individual will not die. So how after taking that very poison, how that person is living, that is that poison and that poison, one poison of the body and poison of the chemical, what is given to the individual, the victim, those two poison is neutralize each other.
Then
that
what is the answer in our method, sir?
That indicate that our body can make the poison more dangerous than snake venom. And how it is possible? Now this is possible from our negative thinking. From where this negative thinking come? This will happen, I will die, this world will destroyed with that very atomic war. All this negative thinking always produce very harmful product inside the body. And that very harmful product, from that very harmful product, we become very much diseased. So many symptoms produced like anorexia, sleeplessness, acidity, migraine, high pressure, hypercholesteremia, hyperglycemia. Everything is produced from that very anxious state, the negative thoughts. So you please think about this. Any negative thought, can instantly produce, the poisonous product. How it is possible? See, someone insult you. On that very moment, if you are not healthy, healthy not that sense, perfectly healthy according to real homeopathy, when you are not healthy, that very insulting word may create inside you the hypertension. The blood pressure may come suddenly, instantly. Migraine may started instantly. Many things can happen. After hearing that very insulting word, within few seconds, no time will be needed. Within few seconds after hearing insulting word, all these things happen. And if it is repeatedly going on with you, then after that, even cancer may grow, even cancer may start. After this continuous humiliation, continuous insulting, then you think, what can our body can make all this poisonous product after negative thinking, after adverse effects.
Sir, negative thinking is the main reason
product
of cancer.
No, see, negative think is the product of predominant 6 to diseased individual.
So
in
is there
other words,
one
those
question?
very person, see, those very person are having predominant 6 true diseases. Their body can disturb their vital force may be disturbed, deranged, disordered within a very short time. It may be within a few seconds even. And after
sir, how will prevent that thing through our real homeopathy?
Yeah, we can prevent, as because with real homeopathy we can we can make recessive to the predominant 6 true diseases. By this, negative thought instantly change to the positive. That is why after taking Carbovez, where it is indicated, after taking Carbovez, all the negative thoughts maybe disappear. Not maybe, must be disappear. By this way, the immunity may be.
So even we can add this last stage of cancer we can address.
Yeah, we can prevent even cancerous complication even. And when, like COVID, even when a person come with cancer, we can we must help with this real homeopathy. It may be for hypertension, it may be for hypercholesteremia, it may be for hyperglycemia. In each and every cases, the main thing is the healthy vital force. Healthy vital force, where there is healthy vital force, means that very individual is treated with real homeopathy for being a recessive 6 true disease from predominant state. In every case, when we are having predominant 6 true disease, one or more than one, there must be negative thinking. There must be negative thinking. Where there is no predominant state of true diseases, there will be no negative thoughts, negative thinking. But someone is thinking very positively. Someone is claiming that I have no fear, I am not in anxious state due to COVID as because I am healthy. I am doing a hard exercise. I am doing pranayam. I am doing everything and everything. I am maintaining a very much healthy criteria. So, no COVID will not attack me. No COVID will attack me. Suddenly, he heard that one of his friend is tested positive COVID-19. And that very friend came to this friend's house. Within few seconds, after hearing this COVID positive test of his friend, panic will start. Yeah, that very friend came to my house and we were few hours in a place and we also touch everybody with each other. So, what can I do? I must consult with the doctor. But before hearing this word, tested negative of his friend, he was very much healthy. No anxiety, nothing was there. But see, within a few seconds, after hearing the friend's condition, the negative thinking started. Why it was? As because the person was healthy superficially, not internally. Means that very individual never treated with real homeopathy. That very individual was treated with maybe classical homeopathy, maybe allopathy, maybe Ayurvedic, maybe Unani. As because all the therapeutic system, excluding real homeopathy, they treat the individual superficially for the symptom, not for the real homeopathy. Sorry, not for the true diseases. Am I clear? Again, I am telling, those who are demand that they are very much healthy, no unhealthy state. আমি কি স্পিচ দিচ্ছি 10টার পর কথা বলবো। Then what I can repeat a little bit, that is when a person treated otherwise, not with real homeopathy, means that all those individual is treated this way, means they are treated regarding their superficial symptom, that is for suffering only. They are never treated why this suffering is there. It means the cause of suffering. Why they are suffering from different problems, not considering this point. All the therapeutic system is considered the symptom, the suffering, and with this they prescribe medicine. Only real homeopathy consider the origin of this very suffering. They never require this very symptom. Location, causation, sensation, modality, concomitance, desire, aversion, nothing is needed. No rubrics is needed. Yes, no blood report is not needed, but report is needed for knowing what is the situation, but not for the treatment. Pathological report is not needed for the treatment. It is needed only for the diagnosis, what type of patient is treated with a real homeopath. I think it is clear. So now I can brief all the negative thinking come from
দশটা অব্দি চলে বুঝতে পেরেছো?
predominant true diseases.
করে বলে দিই বারবার ফোন করছে
All the positive thinking come from recessive true diseases.
কেমন ডাক্তার চলছে এখন এমনি এটা শেষ হয়ে গেলে
Predominant recessive predominant 6 true diseases is possible only with the treatment of, only with the help of the treatment of a real homeopathy. As because in real homeopathy, no individual is treated depending on the sufferings, depending on the symptoms, depending on the pathological reports. Each and every individual is treated for the origin of the today's suffering, today's adverse situation, today's sign and symptoms, today's pathological report. So, in one word, I can tell you one thing, that if we supply water to the root of the tree, if we give water or water the tree at the root, that very water must reach each and every leaves, each and every branch of the tree, each and every flower of the tree, each and every cell, tissue of the tree. So, no question of the treatment of flower, of leaf, of fruit, or branches. So I can tell this type of treatment for different part of the tree is unscientific. Not only unscientific, it is harmful also. How I can tell this? For this, I must mention Dr. James Tyler Kane's instruction,
Sir, please
Kane's
don't mind.
advice.
I requested Dr. Anuradha Sen. She disturbed much more.
Then what Kent has told, very valuable, most authentic regarding the, which is very much helpful for inventing this very real homeopathy. What it is? It is very enthusiastic. What it is? Prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease. Means when a patient is calm, a patient comes with any suffering, if medicine is given by any pathy, patient immediately feel comfort. Patient immediately feel comfort. But what it is going to happen in future? Kent has told, prescribing for the result of the disease, that very suffering, A, B, C, D, causes changes in the result of the disease, means everything will be okay, but not in the sickness. What this sickness means? This sickness means predominant state of 1 to 6 true diseases. 1 to 6 true diseases. Am I clear? 1 to 6 true diseases. This very part is never mentioned. Even not James Tyler Kane, not Master Hahnemann. They never. They told this very thing. prescribing for the result of the disease, causes changes in the result of the disease, not in the sickness. But what sickness means? Everybody should know. Those who are related with therapeutic science, what sickness means.
Upon patient short.
Sickness means predominant state of one or more than one
Not অব্দি বলেছে 10
fixed
অব্দি
true
চলে।
diseases.
Next.
Okay, so then what it is now, prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, not in the sickness. It is hurry its progress, but hurry is not. Prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, but not in the sickness, except to hurry its progress. Why? As treatment is done, treatment is given only for the suffering, not from the origin, that is true diseases. That is why all the true diseases become complex and complex and complex. And in future, that very treatment throw to the complicated disease condition. So, someone is having complicated state means maybe cancer, may not be cancer, maybe COVID, may not be COVID, means it may be infectious or non-infectious. Is the physician is responsible. Physician, yes, only the physician is responsible for this very complicated state, who has given treatment for the superficial suffering and given comfort to the individual. At that time, the individual is very much satisfied with doctor. Even that very patient pray to the God, please save my physician for treating me. Today I have given online one thing. Have you seen or not?